Hey, what's going on? It's your man. Today I want to try doing something a little bit different than normal. Instead of doing another spooky internet iceberg thing, I want to talk about something that I don't see enough people complain about. I'm already realizing though that I do not like holding this. Sound okay? Hey, what's going on, guys? Woo! Goddamn. So this might restrict my breathing a little bit. I might die. That'd be kind of funny, I guess. So what am I here to complain about today? I'm here to complain about TikTok. Three TikTok things that I find very annoying. Many a nights I lay awake browsing TikTok and I see these phenomenon and they really make me angry. The first one is like psychology TikTok facts. TikToks that are about educating you or schooling you on psychology. Second and third one kind of overlap one another, and that is TikToks about being a content creator and becoming a Twitch streamer, making a video about your journey to becoming a Twitch streamer. I'm really pissed off and excited to talk about this, but before we get into it, a word from our sponsor. Today I'd like to talk about a very useful and easy to use tool for video recording and editing, DemoCreator. DemoCreator combines both screen recording and video editing into one easy to use piece of software. Recording gameplay with DemoCreator is as simple as opening the recording tool. If you want, you can do some quick fine tuning of your recording settings by changing the frame rate or the recording method or connecting a webcam or mic and just hitting record. While recording, DemoCreator provides you with tools you can use to enhance your recording experience, such as this spotlight tool and this drawing tool. Once you're done recording, just hit the record button again and it will take you straight to the editing bay so you can start editing your video. In addition to being able to use that video you just recorded, you are also able to import your own videos and media. It's very easy. DemoCreator provides you with many different settings you can manage to improve your editing experience. You can change the frame rate of your video. You can change your project background color. Adding a pan or zoom effect to your video is very simple. You just grab one of these templates, double click on it, and adjust how you want it to zoom in. DemoCreator also makes it very easy for you to adjust how audio fades in and out, add custom annotations and text boxes, transitions, and even make use of a green screen. If you're looking to get into video production and editing, DemoCreator is a great place to start. It's very approachable and easy to learn, and at the same time, it's not very restrictive and you can do pretty much whatever you want. In the description of this video, there's a link to download DemoCreator and a coupon code to get some money back. Also, right now, DemoCreator is holding a campaign where if you make a video using DemoCreator and upload it to YouTube under the hashtag #StartYouTubeWithDemoCreator, you have a chance to win some prizes. I have to loosen this boy up. So the first one of these things that I want to talk about today is the TikTok psychology scene. There's a lot of TikToks that have this problem, but this is the first TikTok that I saw that really displayed this thing that I hate so much.
Psychological tricks to mess with someone's head, part 1. Let's say that you are talking to someone. If you interrupt them and say walk with me in a busy tone and start walking away, they will start walking with you and continue the conversation. Now you can lead them really anywhere you want. Immediately after your friend looks at the time, ask them if they know what time is it. Chances are that they will have to look at the time again. Look distractedly on someone's nose or some other part of their face, and then scratch the same part of your own face. They will get confused and probably think that they have something on them and start scratching as well.
All three things that were listed there, you should not be calling those a psychological trick. This is exactly how this is supposed to work.
If you interrupt them and say walk with me in a busy tone and start walking away, they will start walking with you and continue the conversation. Now you can lead them really anywhere you want.
What? Dude, if I ask someone to walk with me, they'll walk with me?
Look distractedly on someone's nose or some other part of their face, and then scratch the same part of your own face. They will get confused and probably think that they have something on them and start scratching as well.
So this last one, if I walk up to you on the street and I go, of course you're gonna think there's something on your face. What, is there something on my face? Gotcha. That's a psychological trick I learned on TikTok. You are doing everyone a disservice by calling that a psychological trick. Being weird and confusing people should not be considered a psychological trick. There's no trickery taking place. That is exactly how that's supposed to work. If you're using the word trick, you are implying that you are taking advantage of the system to achieve a goal that you are not necessarily supposed to be able to achieve. This is exactly how this is supposed to work. If I tell you, oh, you got something on your face, you're gonna think you have something on your face.
Psychological tricks to mess with someone's head, part 5. Throw in a random little wink in the middle of a conversation. And if they ask why you did that, act like nothing happened.
What? And it really sucks, because you know that there's some people out there who watch this and are like,
in a room full of people, turn off the lights and start singing happy birthday.
10 ways that you can use psychology to your advantage. Day 2. Next time somebody's trying to manipulate you, look at their forehead mid-conversation. It makes the subconscious incredibly uncomfortable. Switch between looking at their eyes and their forehead. They'll either end the conversation completely or just lose their train of thought.
What? There's no trickery going on there. That's exactly how that should work. People, you should really not be going around and just telling people ways that they can be awkward and then calling it a psychological trick. Psychological fact. If you walk up to someone on the street and punch them in the gut, they will fear and respect you. Psychology. So this is another TikTok account I found. It's called Facts Lobby. It's another gold mine for learning about psychology. There's psychological facts. There's facts about boys. There's facts about girls. Psychological fact. Apparently, when you treat people like they treat you, they get upset. Apparently. I don't know. I heard this one day. There's a little bit of a rumor going around that I don't know if it's true or not, but apparently a lot of the times people on TikTok get confused with the word fact. No facts are apparently. Did you know that apparently there's 8 ounces in a cup? Heard of this? I've had it up to here. So moving on to our next subject of topic today. I want to talk about people on TikTok who make TikToks about their Twitch streaming career, their journey of becoming a Twitch streamer, their life as a Twitch streamer.
Honestly, I just want to be a content creator, so let's go.
Okay, I know we just got into this, but I want to... Am I the only one who hates the term content creator? What does that mean? Being a content creator could literally mean anything.
Honestly, I just want to be a content creator.
What does that mean? What do YouTubers make YouTube videos? That's their content. Twitch streamers make Twitch streams. That's their content. Musicians make music. That's their content. Construction workers make buildings. Is a building a construction worker's content? Is a chef a content creator? Chefs make food. Is food their content? I don't know, man. I just want to be a content creator. You could bet that's literally anything. If I ask you what you do and you tell me you're a content creator, I kind of feel like you're hiding something from me. When people use the term content creator, it sounds to me like you're too embarrassed of what you actually make and do. So you just want to call yourself a content creator. I feel like the term primarily comes from YouTubers who make terrible reaction or commentary videos. And it's really embarrassing when their mom asks what they do for a living. They don't want to say, oh, I make reaction videos. They want to say they're a content creator. If you make something, tell me specifically what you do. Don't tell me you're a content creator.
Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April.
I have no idea what you do. You could be a YouTuber, you could be an Instagram influencer, you could be an OnlyFans creator. I don't know what you do. Stop telling me you're a content creator. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna stop complaining about the term content creator. I'm gonna get back on track so we can start complaining about this TikTok Twitch thing.
Honestly, I just want to be a content creator, so let's go ahead and start our first stream ever. Wow, still no viewers? I mean, it's fine. I'll just keep grinding. Still no viewers? It's been 1 month. So whatever, I'll just keep grinding. I mean, we have 20 followers, but no one's tuning into the streams. Finally, our first viewer. What's up, man? I want to get to know you in the streams, man. Hope you stick around. Yo, I told my friend to come stop by the stream sometime. Thank you, man. It means so much to me. Really appreciate it, bro.
You can tell what he's going for here is like, I want to build my Twitch career, so I'm gonna make this TikTok about myself where I tell this story about myself. I have a struggle, I'm struggling grinding, I'm struggling to build my Twitch career so I can maybe guilt trip people into following me on Twitch. And it's hard for me to get too angry because he's pretty young. He's young and stupid. Like, do people find this inspiring? Is it inspiring? Things you shouldn't say to a streamer, part 5. You're so cringy, I'm leaving. Number one rule of Twitch streamers. Don't say this to a Twitch streamer. I especially like that this is part 5. Part 5. You're so cringy, I'm leaving. Part 6. You're a poopy loser, man.
Guys, girls, frogs, dogs, and everything in between. What is going on today? Yo, dude, may I ask a question? Ask away, dude. Because, do you know what? I just want to positively impact as many people as I can, and this just gives me the time to do that. I don't know, I just want to make at least one person's day better every single day, and I've met my goal.
Because you see a lot of stuff like this where it's just people LARPing if they were a famous Twitch streamer. This is how I would act if I was a Twitch streamer. You know, I really shouldn't be getting mad at just kids doing dumb things and just acting kind of silly. I don't like the way TikTok makes people act and makes them make the videos that they do. The moral of the story today is don't call being weird and goofy psychology. Don't use the term content creator ever. Tell me what you do specifically, and don't make these videos. If you couldn't tell, this was kind of just me ranting on about nothing for an hour. If you like these kind of videos, you know, let me know. I might try doing more stuff like this in the future if you guys like it. I like making iceberg videos, don't get me wrong, but also I want to try doing something else as well. Thanks for watching.